Hello friends. In this video I'll show how you can measure the speed and energy of a bullet fired from a coil gun. I compiled the coil gun model according to the attached circuit. The main parts of an electromagnetic gun are a storage capacitor, a coil and a projectile. When the capacitor is discharged to the coil, a magnetic field arises that accelerates the projectile. To measure the speed and energy of the bullet, I made several measurements that I entered into the calculator. That's how I measured the distance from the coil to the target. The core of the bullet I made of mild steel and attached to it the tip and stabilizer. I weighed the bullet on the scale. To measure the flight time of the bullet, I connected two sensors to the Audacity free program. I put the inductive sensor near to the Gauss Gan coil, and the piezoelectric sensor attached to the target. As a result, I got the value of the speed and energy of the bullet, as well as the efficiency of the gun. How could I resist not shooting at pins? I wishing you successful projects and creative inspiration.